together special presentation.
Here's what you'll need. An old canvas you don't really want anymore, maybe it doesn't match your house anymore, or maybe you just didn't like how it turned out. You need some peel and stick wallpaper. I picked this sort of old wood pattern.
And you need some decorations. I chose these three.
Here are some other decorations we found.
Roll out your wallpaper on your table, printed side down. Now, use your old canvas to measure.
Make sure you have enough on each side to cover the edges and to fold up over the back.
Now for my favorite part, peeling off the paper.
Now try to center your canvas.
And squish it down. Now we cut out all the corners.
Try for something vaguely squarish. You can always trim some more as you fold later.
Do the same for the other three corners. Now fold each side up, one at a time.
I left myself a little too much extra, so I'll have to trim. Now, I don't have a lot of confidence in the stickiness of the vinyl, so we're just adding a little hot glue to stop it from peeling.
Or at least slow it down. Do the same for all the other sides.
You can add a little extra glue on any edges that aren't laying flat.
Now we're ready to decorate. First, we need some glue.
Figure out where you'd like your decorations, and then squish them down, holding them for a while.
Then keep going with the rest of your decorations. Ta-da!